It works fine, except the body and legs are moving together with the arm. The body needs its own rigging to hold the mesh. Press Q to draw, Shift to snap, W to move. Pull out a spine chain to the hip. Press Q to draw, X to activate symmetry, Shift to snap, W to move. Check from the side, Q to add, Shift to snap, new joints for the buttocks. Move the hip joint backwards to support the buttocks. Repeat the same process until you reach the feet. Press R to rotate. Test out rotating the hip Z-spheres. Rotate to the front and back. Try with mesh, rigging, bind mesh, front and back.